Hey there, guys. Chet here. Most online stores fail because they're hard to use or they don't look good enough to attract customers. If you're selling a product, your first priority should be building an online store that's powerful, secure, and easy to manage. Shopify is the go to platform for e commerce, but having just a store isn't enough. You also need a stunning brand website to draw people in. And that's where a design focused tool like Framer can make all the difference. Today, we're going to do an in depth comparison of Framer and Shopify. This isn't about which one is better, it's about understanding their very different jobs and how they can actually work together to create a powerful online business. But before we start, I've got something special. When you sign up with my link below, you'll not only get started with Framer or Shopify, you also unlock my free full course that takes you from your first project all the way to your first client. And I'm including my Notion templates, the exact ones that I use to manage all of my projects, track clients, and keep everything organized. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Don't forget that link, it is below. So let's get into it. We begin with Shopify, which is not just a website builder, it is a complete all in one commerce platform. Its entire existence is dedicated to one thing: helping you sell products. To do this, it provides an incredible suite of tools for managing your business. This includes robust inventory tracking, secure payment processing, which handles credit cards and other payment methods, complex shipping and tax calculations, and detailed analytics on your sales. The strength of Shopify is that it is a powerful business tool first and a design tool second. You typically build your store by choosing a theme and customizing it to fit your brand. While you can create a beautiful store, the platform's real power comes from the Shopify app store, which allows you to add any feature imaginable, from advanced email marketing to subscription services. If you're serious about selling products online, whether you have 10 items or 10,000, Shopify provides the essential commerce focused infrastructure that you need to run your business effectively, period. Now, let's look at Framer. Framer is a professional design platform for creating high-end, visually stunning websites. Its primary focus is on giving you complete creative freedom to build a unique and memorable brand experience. With Framer, you start with a blank canvas and can create custom layouts, advanced animations, and also sophisticated interactions that are simply not possible within a standard Shopify theme. Framer is built for crafting the marketing and storytelling part of your brand. It's the tool that you use to build a beautiful homepage, an engaging About Us story, or a visually rich blog that draws customers in. It's important to note that Framer is not a native e commerce platform. However, it can be integrated with e commerce solutions, including Shopify's own Buy button, which allows you to add product checkouts to your custom designed Framer site. Now, which do you choose? This is a case where you don't always have to choose. They're built for different but complementary purposes. You can choose Shopify when the core of your project is the store itself. You need a powerful, scalable system to manage products, payments, and shipping. Great. Now, you choose Framer when the core of your project is the brand story and you need a visually stunning marketing site. I'm going to be honest, many successful brands use both. A beautiful custom marketing site built in Framer to attract and engage customers, which then directs them to a powerfully reliable store that is run on Shopify. And don't forget, if you're ready to try Framer or Shopify or both, use the link in the description. You'll unlock my full course and my Notion templates completely free so that you can start building and selling like a pro right away. All right, that's it for this comparison. I really hope this helps you understand the different roles of Framer and Shopify and that you can use them both at the same time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.